Magandang buhay po sa inyo lahat. This is Roberto from the USA. And today, tunghayan po natin ang papel ng mga trans woman sa Miss USA. Welcome to San Francisco, California. Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. This is Roberto from the USA. And maraming salamat po to all my new subscribers. Unfortunately, I needed more. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. You can also add a comment. I would appreciate that very much. Cataluna Enriquez, Miss Nevada, USA 2021. Cataluna Enriquez, a Filipino American transgender, is the very first transgender American to compete in Miss USA. And the state of Maryland have crowned another Asian American of Cambodian descent by the name of Mary Ann, and she is also married to a military man. Miss USA is 3 weeks away. Can she get the crown? Let's wait and see if she can make it also to Miss Universe.